Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to install Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook on Windows operating system. Also, we'll see how to use it to run Python program. So let's start with video. So first, you need to open any of your favorite web browser. So I will open the Google Chrome. Within this, just type anaconda.com. Now here it is showing the official website anaconda.com. So within this, just click on this option download now. Now here we want distribution installer. So just click on this download button so that Anaconda will get downloaded. It will take little bit of time. So .exe file is downloaded here. So just double click on it. Now here it is showing the setup wizard. Here you need to select the option next. After that it is showing the license and agreement. So you should accept the license and agreement. Just click on I agree. Now see it is showing it should be installed for just me or for all users. So as per your choice you can select it. So I have given all users option. Click on this next button. Now here it is showing the destination folder where Anaconda will get installed. So I want to keep this folder as it is. I don't want to change the path. So if you want to change the path, then you can use this browse option and you can give path as per your choice. So here I will keep it as it is and just I will click on next button. Now here if you want to create the shortcut, you will select this option create shortcuts. So click on install button. Now installation is completed. So just click on this next button. Again click on next button. Here it is showing option launch Anaconda Navigator and welcome page. So just click on finish option. Now see it is showing Anaconda Navigator. So just scroll down here so that you will get the Jupyter notebook. So just click on this launch button. Now from this Anaconda Navigator, select this option Jupyter notebook. You have to select this Jupyter notebook option and just click on launch button. Now this Jupyter notebook will get opened within web browser. So here you can create your new files and folders. So here just I will create new folder. For example, STE123 is my folder name. This is folder. Now within this STE123, suppose I want to create new Python file. So I will select the Python. So it will open the Jupyter notebook. And here you can type your simple Python commands. So here just I will give one simple print statement. Print welcome to STE. To run this command you can use this run option. So it is showing the output here. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.